So y'all have been calling me the kicker guy, saying that Kicker pays me to shill their stuff. Guys, I wish that were true. Let me tell you exactly what's going on and why I rep Kicker so much. So guys, look, I love every brand that we sell. If I didn't, it wouldn't be on our wall, it wouldn't be in our showrooms. But I'll be real with you, some brands we did pick because they're simply more popular. Sundown, DS18, Def Bonks, great gear. But that's why we started carrying them. Very popular, very much asked for by our customers. But there are a few brands that have earned their spot in our place. Kicker's one of them, and of course Alpine too. Over a decade in, here's why. Number one, they are priced right. Not so high you feel robbed, not so cheap where you get suspicious. Their high-end door speakers, or KSs, are loud, slim enough to fit almost anywhere, and they take a beating. And the L7 series speakers, absolute knockers for what you pay. Two, these guys innovate. We've sold out of multiple products this year alone. The L7T downfiring powered woofer, loudest powered sub I've personally heard. Doesn't need a grill because it downfires. The Kicker Key 200.4, solving 3 problems at once. It's tiny, under $300, and you don't have to run RCAs to it. Not to mention it's got onboard DSP to fix that factory EQing. It's about as close to a perfect amplifier as it gets. Let's not forget the Solo X is an absolute terrorizer. For $600-700, depending on the size, you get one of the hardest hitting SPL subs. Their high-end LX amps, usually under $900. Bang for buck, barely anyone's touching them. Number 3, guys, they just take care of their customers. I've never seen a company this laid back about warranty claims. You buy Kicker from us, blow something within a year or two, half the time I don't even ask for you to send it back. Kicker just handles it. Now that's not on every single item, and definitely don't abuse it. Things like their Solo X's and their Warhorse amps, there's a little bit more red tape to get through. Number 4, they take care of their dealers. Since 2016, I've been on 3 all-inclusive trips to Mexico, mostly paid for by Kicker. Flights, rooms, entertainment, food, they don't cut corners. But here's what really showed me who they are. Last year, on one of these trips, my youngest daughter fell on the day we were flying home. We rushed her to the hospital, missed our flight. Guess what? Kicker paid for the extra hotel night and the hospital bill. They didn't have to do that. Nobody would have blamed them if they didn't, but they did. By the way, she's fine. She fell from about 5 feet, walked away without a scratch. I'm still trying to process and rationalize how that happened. But that's the kind of company Kicker is. They don't just take care of business, they take care of people. So no, Kicker doesn't pay me to say any of this. I rep them because over 10 plus years, they've earned it. That's it. That's the whole truth. You guys know exactly where to go to get Kicker with a factory authorized warranty, lifetime tech support, the most competitive prices. It is right in the link in the description, hi-techcaraudio.com. All right, love you guys. Talk to you soon.